Using Pictory, you're able to convert your scripts into videos, convert articles into videos by simply pasting the URL. You're also able to edit your videos using text. So, no editing software required. But how does it do it? Advanced algorithms analyze your content, selecting visuals, themes, and even background music that aligns with your message. So let's get started. What is Pictory? Pictory is a cloud-based video creation platform that uses AI to help you create videos quickly and easily. Pictory has a variety of features that make it easy to create videos. Creating a video. To create a video from text with Pictory, simply follow these steps. Create a new project and select the text to video option. Paste your text into the text editor. Choose a video template. Customize your video by adding visuals, music, and text. Export your video. Pictory has a library of stock footage and music that you can use in your videos. To add visuals to your video, simply click on the Add Media button and select the footage or music that you want to add. You can also add your own images and videos to your videos. To do this, simply click on the Upload Media button and select the files that you want to upload. Pictory offers a free plan that allows you to create up to 3 videos per month. Pictory also offers a paid plan. The paid plan gives you access to all of Pictory's features, watermark removal, and access to a larger library of stock footage and music. Pictory is a great tool for anyone who wants to create high-quality videos quickly and easily. Even if they have no video editing experience, I especially like Pictory's text-to-video feature. It's amazing how easy it is to create a video from text with Pictory. I also like Pictory's library of stock footage and music. It's saved me a lot of time and effort. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.